the pot.
Into the pot.
As we do that, I will be taking one of these big, honking, beautiful bell peppers.
Okay.
I'll be slicing it,
Okay.
chopping its head off. I will be gutting it. I will be spewing its innards in a bowl. I need a bowl.
Bowl.
After we give some love and attention and gut the bell pepper,
Okay.
we are going to stuff it.
Okay.
We are going to put that stuff into the pepper. We're going to fill that pepper. It's going to be glorious.
Okay.
It's going to be beautiful. It's going to be saucy. It's going to be saucy up in here. 9 minutes, maybe 8, because I like it a little crunchy. I don't like a gooey, soft bell pepper. I'm just telling you, I don't like it. I'm not going to have it. I won't have it. Hi, and welcome back to Bear Food Kitchen. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. Let us know what you think. We'd love to hear from you. Today we are cooking with an Instapot, and we are making stuffed bell peppers. Super easy, super fast. First thing we're going to do is add a little oil. We have the Instapot on saute, so we got it nice and hot. Going to add a little bit of olive oil in there, and then we are going to add some ground beef and some Italian sausage. Now what I did is I mixed the hot and the sweet because I like the two flavors. And if I had a spatula to stir that up and break it up with, I would show you that too. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and I am going to salt and pepper my oil and chunks of beef. I'm going to do that right now. I like a little salt on my oil and chunks of beef. A little salt. A little bit of pepper. Oh, we have like an animated flip-flopper. You call it a flip-flopper? I call it a spatula. Thank you. Thank you, little cooking elf. Little kitchen elf. We're just going to go ahead and break this up. We want nice little crumbs. Oh, that looks amazing. While that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and chop up an onion right in front of me. I need another drink. Hold on one second. You know, glass of wine, a little cocktail while you are cooking. We're just going to peel this onion. Little sucker. We're just going to peel this onion. Slippery sucker. Just like that. And we're just going to make some slices. We don't want these too small because they're going to be in with a mixture of rice and egg, some tomato sauce. So we want some bites of onion in there. Just like that. Scoop that up, throw it in there. I love onion. If you are lucky enough to grow onion at your house, I'm so jealous. Get them all in there. Make sure you got some little pieces of meat. It smells amazing. Now I have some Italian seasoning. A little bit of garlic, a little bit of Worcestershire, oh, it smells so good. I'm going to add a cup of rice. Now I used about 1/4 a pound of ground beef and about a 1/2 pound of sweet and spicy combined of the sausage. Just like that. And I'm gonna add a little bit of the tomato sauce. And I want the tomato sauce to kind of cook and caramelize. It adds the best flavor to the rice and the meat with that Worcestershire sauce, just like that. And then while that is cooking, I got some amazing bell peppers. And I'm going to cut their heads off. Just like that. Tear them off. And just gut out the ribs. Just like that. Take them out. This is perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this off. Just like that. Oh, so good. And I'm going to put it on a pot holder. I'll put it on a pot holder. You know, a little hot plate. I'm going to put it on a hot plate and let it cool for a minute. Oh, it's a hot plate. Thank you. Little kitchen elf. And the reason I'm doing that is I want it to cool down just a little bit. Because I am going to mix an egg in here to help it bind up. And you want it to be a little bit cool. Second one. We gotta chop the head off of this one. Now I am growing bell peppers in my garden and they're beautiful. I love fresh bell pepper and fresh herbs. It's my favorite. Just like that. Beautiful. And then we're gonna take this and I am just going to crack the egg in. We're gonna mix it up and it's gonna bind the whole filling so it doesn't fall apart when you're going to cut into it. So very lightly, just stir it up. Trust me, it won't become scrambled eggs. It'll just be a nice little creaminess in there. Just like that. Can you see it? See? No scrambled eggs. Perfect. Just like that. All right, let's stuff them. You ready? Start with an orange one. Now it doesn't really matter what color bell pepper you use. I do like the different colors, so I always pick at least 3 or 4 of them, like red, all the colors, they're so beautiful. Now you don't need to stuff it and smash it in there. It'll all settle in. The bell pepper will shrink a little bit when it cooks. I leave a little room because I'm going to put some cheese on the top. It smells so good, I could almost just eat this filling. Scoop it all in. Now I have seen people put hard-boiled eggs in the middle of them. I haven't tried that yet. But when you slice into the middle of them, you see that beautiful hard-boiled egg. And I do want to try that. If you have done that, let me know. send me a recipe. I'd love to try it out. Get that last little bit in there. Just like that. Look at these beauties. It's like fall. It's like summer and fall. Whoa. So I went ahead, I put a new liner. I put a trivet in a cup of water. And then we're just gonna place these little babies in there. We're gonna tuck them in, and I'm gonna put the topping on. We're just gonna go ahead and mix a little bit of tomato sauce and chili sauce. Now this is a sweet chili sauce. If you wanna add maybe some sriracha, that would be delicious. I would do that. I like the sweet chili sauce with the pepper and the meat. I need more. I need all of it. Just like that. And then we're just gonna go ahead and top them. A little bit each. That's why you really wanna make sure you leave a little bit of room. Just like that. A little bit of cheese. Then we're gonna put the lid on it, 8 minutes. Dinner is served. Make sure you seal your vents, close to seal. Eight minutes. Dinner. All right, you guys, so let's just check it out. We're gonna see what these little bell peppers look like. Oh, they smell amazing. They are piping hot. I put them on the trivet so you could easily just lift them out. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna need another plate. I'm gonna need another plate. A bigger plate. Something bigger. Something wider than this little edible. You know, something. No, not like that. No, that's too small. Maybe a bigger one. Bigger one. If I could wish for a bigger plate, like a dinner plate, like a big dinner plate. Like somebody send me a big dinner plate. Like right now, I need it for my bell peppers. My big fat. What? That is amazing. The little kitchen fairy. Look at those suckers. Those are big, bad bell peppers. Look at those. All right. What do I want? I'm a little girl, so I'm gonna go with a little one. Look at, they are still firm and soft, but not mushy, because I don't like them mushy. But look at, perfect. You wanna see the inside? Let's just cut a corner. See how it stays together? Is that amazing? It's so good. It smells amazing. Super hot, but you know me. I like to test my heat skills. Let me go ahead and try a little bite. Make sure I get the topping on it, some of the meat. That bite. It's a perfect bite. Hot. It's so good. There's still bite with the bell pepper. You get all the meat and the spices melded together, and then you get that top tomatoey sweet chili with the cheesy on it. So delicious. This is my dinner. I hope you try this. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. We'd love to hear from you guys. Send out a hello to me sometime. I love to hear from you. Be kind to each other.